Hi Year 2, today we're going to be solving word problems involving addition and subtraction. Word problems are really easy to solve, you just need to know what to look for. On this page there's some vocabulary that you might need to use today or a different day when you're solving some more word problems. So we've got addition, add, more, plus, altogether, another, total, how many, subtract, take away, minus, less and left. Remember you can add in any order, but subtraction always starts with the largest number. Today we're going to use these steps to solve a word problem. Number 1, we're going to read the problem at least twice. We're going to identify the numbers that we'll be using. We're going to find the key vocabulary, which will help us to know whether we're adding or subtracting. Then we're going to reread the problem to make sure we know what we're doing. Then we're going to complete the calculation using the numbers and operations that you have found. Take a look at this problem. It says if you have 67 slices of pizza and 15 slices are eaten, how many slices would you have left? Read the problem again yourself, try and find the numbers you'll be using and identify the vocabulary that will help you. Pause the video if you need a bit more time. Okay, so I've looked at the word problem, I've read it twice, and I found the numbers that I'll be using are 67 because there are 67 slices of pizza and 15 because 15 slices are eaten. And the word left tells me to subtract. So my equation is going to be 67 minus 15. 67 slices of pizza, 15 slices have been eaten. I'm going to solve this subtraction word problem using column subtraction. So I've set it up on the screen here. I've got my T showing tens, my O showing ones. I put 67 because there were 67 slices of pizza and 15 because 15 slices were eaten. Made sure I put my operation here to remind me what to do, and my lines drawn with a ruler underneath for my answer. When subtracting, we always take the smaller number away from the larger number. Okay, the first problem is 67, so that's 6 tens and 7 ones. Take away 15, which is 1 10 and 5 ones. Always start with the ones when we're using column subtraction. So we've got 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 6 minus 1 equals 5. Thank you for your help, Matilda. Here's another word problem. If you have 72 rubber ducks and are given another 17, how many rubber ducks would you have? I want you to read the problem again, find the numbers you'll be using and identify the key vocabulary. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need a little bit more time to think. For this calculation, the numbers I will use are 72 because there are 72 rubber ducks and 17 because I've been given another 17. The word another tells me that there are more, so I will be adding. So my calculation is 72 plus 17 equals. This time I'm going to use column addition to solve my problem. So the setup is the same, but make sure that when you write down your operation, you're writing down that it is an addition problem, so you need the add sign. So we've got 72, add 17. Remember, when you're adding, you can put the numbers in any order to add them. I've done them in the order that's in the problem. This time we're doing an addition problem, so I've put an addition sign there to remind me. We're doing 72, 7 tens and 2 ones, plus 17, 1 10 and 7 ones. Again, we start with the ones column, so 2 plus 7 equals 9, 7 plus 1 equals 8, 72 plus 17 equals 89. Now pause the video and have a go at working these problems out. Remember to look for the numbers and the key vocabulary to help you. Pause the video now. Here I have highlighted the numbers I'll be using and the key vocabulary that will help me to know whether I am adding or subtracting. So in problem 1, my numbers are 49 and 50, and the word another tells me that I'm going to add. In problem 2, we've got the numbers 85 and 21, and the word left tells me it's a subtraction problem. In problem 3, we've got the numbers 49 and 24, and I've highlighted a few words here. So we've got give away. If you're giving away, you are taking some away from how many you have. And the word left, which also tells me I'm subtracting. And for question 4, we've got the numbers 36 and 11, and there's two words here that tell me I'm adding. We've got the word more and the word altogether. Okay, I hope you've had time to solve those yourself. Let's see what the answers are. So for number 1, what 49 plus 50 equals 99. Number 2, 85 minus 21 equals 64. For number 3, 49 take away 24 equals 25. And number 4, 36 add 11 equals 47. Remember year 2, there's lots more work in your home learning packs. There's lots of word problems in there, and you can look online for more as well. If there's anything you're finding tricky in your home learning or anything you want help with, maybe you'd just like to share your amazing work with us, let the teachers know. You can email us year2@webster.manchester.sch.uk.